ButterKit is built from scratch for macOS, so it integrates directly with Xcode. And unlike web tools, ButterKit can capture directly from Simulator, import, and render into 3D devices in seconds. To get started, open up ButterKit Settings and select the Capture Tool tab. Now select your developer folder. This provides ButterKit with the proper permissions to capture screenshots. Next, select your Xcode application. This allows ButterKit to connect to the Xcode Simulator automatically. If you have multiple versions of Xcode installed, choose the version you're using to launch the simulator. Now we can see the ButterKit Capture tool attached to our active iOS simulator window. If you don't see it yet, you may need to restart ButterKit. Let's try it. In one click, ButterKit captures a screenshot, imports it, and renders it into a real, editable 3D device. With the Capture tool selected, we can also use the arrow keys on the keyboard to quickly navigate between target artboards. We can quickly swap between localizations, allowing fast capture of translated screenshots. Just make sure you have a string catalog added to your iOS app. ButterKit does the rest. There's also a growing number of simulator override controls. Customize the time, battery level, and much more.